Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thank all the people who have subscribed to my channel and to those who gave feedback to my videos. My videos were created based on what I learned when I play, and also from the other Roblox experts who shared their experiences as well. In that note, you can see different YouTubers sharing almost the same idea. So continue watching my video guys. Let's get started. Today I'm going to teach you how to use variables on Roblox Studio. So before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe and turn notification bell to see more videos. So let's begin. So we're gonna add a script on server service or workspace. So this time I'm gonna insert a script on workspace this time. But you can also add a script on server service because this service is where all the scripts are stored. You can add the scripts there, or you can add a script on workspace. I'm just gonna add the script on workspace. So click on workspace, then press the plus logo on the workspace, and this should pop up. You can press this button right here, this one. It's like the charger logo, I think. If you click on it, this will pop up. It will show you all the options that you want to insert inside of the workspace. So for example, you want to insert a folder or a script or maybe a part, or maybe you want to insert int value. Just an example. But this time we're gonna add the script right here. Then we're gonna delete the print hello world. We're gonna need the print later, so delete it. So we're gonna start a variable. We're gonna create a variable. So we're gonna create it. So local, you need to type local because we're gonna create a variable. Then if you hit enter, you have to rename your variable. For example, you're gonna rename your variable into text variable 1. I name it into text variable 1 because I might be at a text variable 2. So that's why I name it into text variable 1. So you have to hit space to add a space, then equals, then space again. Then we're gonna add the string or speech marks, and we have to type a word inside of the speech marks or string. For example, subscribe to ADLEX Ali. Just like that. What if we did that? And then we're going to add the print text variable 1. So it's saying this word right here is saying the local, but make sure you have no strings or speech marks on the text variable 1 because it's a variable. If you click on run or play and you go on the output, it says text variable 1. But if you click on stop, and then we're gonna remove the speech marks or strings. We're gonna delete them except the text variable 1 and the open bracket and close bracket. And then we're not gonna delete the strings or speech marks on the variable 1. So we're gonna click on run, and it says you're subscribed to ADLEX Ali. So let me tell to you about more this text variable. So you can make the text variable. You can remove the word local because you don't need the word local. because if you type text variable 1, then you type equals, you add a string, and then you can add in any words there, then print text variable 1, for example. So you want to remove the word local if you want to, because if you remove the word local like this, then click on run, it will still print subscribe to ADLEX Ali, because it's still a variable even if you remove the word local. So I'm gonna tell you about the strings. Okay, so if you type local text variable 1, then you type equals, and then you add a string, then add any words inside, and you add print text variable 1, but with strings. So if you click run, the word will print text variable 1. It did not print the word that you put on your variable. But if you remove the word, I mean if you remove the strings on the print, and except the open bracket and close bracket, and except the word, it will print the word you said on the variable. So for example, text variable 1 equals hider. There you go. Now let's type print text variable 1. You have to remove the strings or speech marks there, because it's very important. Then it will print this if you click run, the hider, the word hider. So I will tell you more about. So for example, I'm gonna create another variable, a text variable again, variable 1, then equals, or maybe local variable 1 equals, then I type this hi there again, hi, then print, let's remove the strings or the speech marks except on the variable 1. Okay, so type this variable 1 inside of the open bracket and close bracket. So it's gonna print the hider. Click on run, and it should print the hider. If you stop this, then we're going back to script. But what if we remove this one, then we remove the string or speech marks? What if we remove it? What will happen? So we're gonna click on run, and we have error on our script, and it says on the output workspace that script 1 incomplete statement. It means we didn't make the script right. So you have to add a string or a speech marks. If you print true without speech marks or strings, and then you click on run, it will print the word true without getting errors, because this is already a variable, the word true. But we didn't even create a variable like this, local true. Not like that. We didn't add a variable like that. But Roblox set the true. But I think Roblox set the true into a variable. So that is why this the word true is a variable. It also works on false. Click on run, and then it says false. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Now we're gonna talk about the things on the workspace. So we are going to print something in the workspace. We're gonna print something in the workspace. For example, we create the part, and then I will make the part into a variable. But how? So we have to double click the script on the workspace or server script service. You will double click the script on server script service if you put the script on your server script service. And if you put it on workspace, you will double click the script on workspace. So if you double click it, it will bring you to the script. Alright, so we're gonna make this part on the Explorer. I will make it into a variable. So we're gonna make it into a variable local part. Or maybe you will not say local, but I'm just gonna say local because I think it's cool. So local part, then you will add a space, then equals space again, then we're gonna say the part. But before that, we have to add the word scripted parent. So script is basically it's telling the script, even if it's a local script or module script, it's still called a script. Then the parent right here, it's saying the workspace. So you click on script and search parent on properties, and the parent is workspace. But if you change the parent of the server script service, the parent is now server script service. If you change it into chat, the parent is chat. So let's make it back to the workspace or server script service. So script that parent dot part right here. The transparency is okay. How about we change the brick color? Brick color equals brick color. Okay, how about this? Brick equals brick color dot new baby blue. How about that? Then we're gonna go click on play or run, but the color doesn't change. You see the color doesn't change. If we click on this part and then we go on the properties, you see the color, the brick color is still medium stone gray. But if you click stop and then we delete these words except the scripted parent that part, let's delete it right now. Okay, so how about we say this part, that brick color equals brick color dot new baby blue. Let's try that and click on run, and you see the part change into baby blue. So here's the proof that it became a baby blue color. So if you click on this and you go on properties, the brick color is baby blue. So that's it. So how about we go back to script and then we change the local into brick, then we changed it into brick as well. Let's change it into brick, but except this one, it will stay into the word part. So what will happen if we change this name into brick and then brick? So on Explorer, we call this part into brick, but we're gonna call this part into brick, but without without renaming it. So we're gonna go run, and then the part still changes even if the local brick is still a brick name. You see? But this part is still called a part, not a brick, because we didn't even name it into brick. But if we rename this into brick, let's rename it. Then right here, we're gonna still stay this into part. But what if we run this and run it? What will happen? And script workspace, the script line 1, stuck begin and stuck end. So it is an error because it's part. But if we change it to brick and we're gonna click on run, then the color changes. There you go. So how about I change the name of the local into my YouTube channel? How about this? ADLEX underscore white, ADLEX underscore Ali, and this one also, ADLEX underscore Ali. So we're gonna click on run, and then the part still changes colors. So that is it, pretty much it for the video. So guys, that's it for the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and turn notification bell to all so you won't miss any of my videos. And see you.